Chapter 1. At school. A chair. A chair. A desk. A desk. A computer. A computer. A door. A door. A window. A window. A blackboard. A blackboard. A whiteboard. A whiteboard. What is this? This is a chair. What is this? This is a chair. What is this? This is a desk. What is this? This is a desk. What is this? This is a door. What is this? This is a door. What is this? This is a blackboard. What is this? This is a blackboard. What is this? This is a window. What is this? This is a window. This is a whiteboard. What is this? This is a whiteboard. Come in, please. Come in, please. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Open your books, please. Open your books, please. Close your books, please. Close your books, please. Look at the blackboard, please. Look at the blackboard, please. Keep quiet, please. Keep quiet, please. Don't talk in class. Don't talk in class.